In this stretch tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a standing Soleus stretch. Now for some people, when they do the traditional standing Soleus stretch, it's just not enough. So in this example, this is where this yoga block comes in that I'm going to be using as a wedge. So let's first go through what the normal Soleus standing stretch is, and then why we would use this. So the standing Soleus stretch is like so. We find a wall or a fixed object that's not going to move. We place the hands against that so we've got full balance during the stretch. From here, one foot comes forward and the other foot comes back. The forward leg never bends. However, the back leg, which in this example is my right leg, the one that I'm stretching my Soleus, will bend. So the stretch looks like so. My hips come back, my right knee bends, and I start to feel that at the bottom of my calf in the Soleus. So the Soleus is underneath the calf, so the calf is superior to it. Now, let's say you do that and you go, I really don't feel a stretch there, or it's maybe a 2 or 3 out of 10. What can we do? Well, we can create a wedge, and we would do exactly the same principles. However, I would have my toes elevated now. So I've already got a little bit of a stretch in this position. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come into exactly the same principles. I'm going to keep my left leg, the one that's my standing leg that I'm not stretching, straight. And then from here, as I come back into the position, I can now feel that Soleus stretch a heck of a lot more. If your foot is too high, you might want to find something that's not abrasive, like a yoga block, and maybe use something half the size. But if you're really looking for a deep stretch, get the mid or forefoot on that block or whatever you're using, and then come right down into the stretch. And that is how to do a wedge or block assisted standing Soleus stretch.